Welcome, today in front of me HUAWEI P9 Lite, and I'll show you how to add event to calendar on this device. So first you should go into the tools folder, and here you'll see, oh no, not in the tools folder, somewhere here. Okay, here you can find the calendar application. Now for example, we can add here the new event by click once on this plus. We can select the one from these days manually, or just click here to add the new event, and here we can set the title, for example the birthday, for example Anna's birthday. Also here you can set the location if you want. Here we can just to set the reminders to our all day by click here once on the switcher. For example, we can here set up the start and the end, or also we just can do this manually, for example from the Tuesday March 8 from 2:30 p.m. to just to 3:30 p.m. this day, or another day, for example the 11th of March. Also got here the more settings. Here we can change the time zone, also the repeat time, just one repeat of one time, just daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, or just set the custom one. Also here we can just set the phone, the reminds before 10 minutes before, 15 minutes, or just 1 week before, 2 days. Also here we can add the one more reminder if you want, and that's it. Now just click here to set, and as you can see we just added the Anna's birthday 4 days in just from the 8th of March to March 11th. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.